Yes, beta, this is question number question number 1 part 6, and in this question same we have to find simple interest and amount. Here this question is similar to previous one, question number 5, that principal is given, that is 850 rupees, and then rate is given, rate is 2 whole 1 by 2. This is a mixed fraction, we will change into the other fraction, that is 2 to the 4 plus 1 5 over 2. Might we are familiar that how to solve mixed fraction. Okay, next is time. Time is again given in days. This time started from 10th of March. 10th we will not take, because on the day when we take the money, at that day interest will not be applicable, but when we return the money at the same day, that day is included and interest is there, right? So time is started from March to August. Firstly write the months. Now I have written name of month and the day, that I have told you in the previous video that how many days in each month, right? So here in the March, he said started from the 10th March, so we will subtract 10 from the 31, you will get 21, so we will take 21 days of the March, and the other months we will add 30 plus 31 plus 30 plus 31, and in August he said up to 3rd August, means we will take first 3 days of the August, we will not take 31 days, we will take only 3 days of the August, that we will add. Okay, let's add the numbers. 2 3 3 6, it becomes again 146 days. So time is 146 days. We will convert it into the years by dividing it with 365. So it will written in the year now. You know why we are dividing it with the 365? Because 1 year contains 365 days. Beta, listen, to make it simple, I think we should cancel the number here. Rather than to put whole values to in the simple interest, that makes more complication. So try to cancel it here. Now, both can be cancelled with the table of 73. 73 twos are 146, 73 fives are 365. So it becomes 2 over 5 years. Now put the value to find the simple interest. Principal is 850 rupees. Rate we have already converted from mixed fraction, that is 2 over 5. Right? And the time is 2 over 5. I have put the value of rate wrong. It is not 2 over 5. It is 5 over 2. So make correction. Into 100, you know that we write it in the formula. So 2 will be cancelled with 2 and 5 will be cancelled with 5. 0 will be cancelled with this 0, and it becomes 85 rupees over 10. Here is 1 0 in the denominator, so we will apply decimal here. Decimal will be applied after 1 digit, as there is 1 0. एक 0 होती है तो एक डिजिट के बाद पॉइंट लगता है, अगर 2 होंगी तो 2 के बाद पॉइंट लगेगा. So the answer becomes 8.5. Either you want to write 0 here, you can write, otherwise it's okay, it's fine. Okay, so we have find the simple interest, that is 8.5 rupees. Right, now we have to find amount. We know amount is equals to principal plus simple interest. So principal is 850 rupees. Simple interest is 8.5 rupees. So we will add the numbers. 850 plus 8.5. Beta, many students are confused to add the numbers whenever there is decimal. See, there is no decimal in this term, so it is written as it is, but there is decimal. So how to write it? The number, first number will be written in the last, as upper term doesn't have any decimal. We just write the numbers as that decimal comes under the another decimal, means दोनों decimal एक same जगह पे आने चाहिए. We have to write the numbers like this. ठीक, यहाँ पे कोई decimal नहीं है. Write here डेसिमल, अपनी तरफ से कोई भी आप डेसिमल लगाओगे, आप डेसिमल लगा के वहाँ पे कितनी चाहो जीरोस लगा सकते हो, राइट। 8 विल बी रिटन हेयर एंड देन इट्स डेसिमल, देन 5। डेसिमल के नीचे डेसिमल लगाना होता है। नाउ ऐड द नंबर्स, 0 + 5 5, decimal as it is, 8 as it is, 5 as it is, again 8 as it is. So the amount is 858.5 rupees. Hope you know now that how to add. डेसिमल के नीचे डेसिमल लगाना होता है, इसके साथ कोई डेसिमल नहीं था तो मैंने खुद से डेसिमल लगा के जीरोस लगा दी और इसको इस हिसाब से लिखा कि डेसिमल के नीचे डेसिमल आ जाए। नाउ अब इसको ऐड करा एंड दिस इज द रिक्वायर्ड आंसर। सो आई थिंक विद दिस क्वेश्चन वी हैव completed our part 1. No, last question is left, I think. Yeah, question number 7 is left, that we will do in the next video. Thank you.